Welcome back to TmezTv. So after Merced, I ended up going to Ventura anyways because Ventura is beautiful. We were really looking forward to racing on the coast, so we went and checked out the ocean. Madeline and I enjoyed ourselves for a couple days, but we ended up headed back home and we ran across some problems as always. So I turned the camera on and here we go. I got an hour to figure it out.
Okay, whatever you decide, is there any motels there?
Oh yeah, there's a motel here, but I'm pretty sure I can get it fixed and it doesn't look hurt. If I can knock this thing off, punch some studs out, throw it on the scooter, ride over to AutoZone, get some studs and a lug nut for it, come back, throw it back on there, I think I'm okay. It spins nice, everything's good on it. It just, I don't know.
We just need to make sure we double check those other studs because they must have come loose, what he said.
Yeah, must have. I've watched them before. I did the same thing. It gets the wheel loose and it shears the studs.
Yeah. All right. Whatever you decide there.
We got the spare tire out of there. I went and got some lug nuts and I've been beating them on. I didn't have a big enough hammer, so I went to Walmart and I got a bigger hammer. And it's pretty cool. The guy at O'Reilly's has a 305. His name's Jack, and he came back by. I told him where I was stuck. He knew, he watches TmezTv. He came back by, and turns out us throwing away that green jack was probably not a good idea because I don't have a jack, and that's as high as I can get the tire because that's the biggest block I have. So I'm gonna take my big hammer and beat these in some more. You would not believe how hard you got to beat on those. So this is good. Well, we are back on the road thanks to some racers, some local racers came and helped us out. And we're gonna go get ourselves a hotel. Good morning this morning. Well, I only got 5 of the 6 studs. They weren't really long enough. They were, I mean, it's on there, but it's not amazing. So I thought I was gonna go down to Elite Trailers and they were just gonna fix it, but it turns out their trailers are a little bit more heavy duty. It's just a friends of Tim's. We got friends all over the country. I'm in New Mexico right now. So it looks like I'm gonna go find a brand new hub, put this hub on myself. Well, they have trailers. Hopefully they have a new hub. You got your... I mean, I don't necessarily... I don't mind packing bearings. It reminds me of my grandpa, because my dad used to always tell me he would make him pack the wheel bearings after they went to the lake with the boat every single time. And they went to the lake all the time. So it reminds me of grandpa. And I was fortunate enough to have all the tools and all the things I needed on this incident. You know, it lost a wheel. I went and got the studs to fix the original one, but the studs weren't very long, you could see there, and I was missing one. So Tim wanted to replace it, make it right. I still had 600 miles to go. So I fixed it right. Oh yes, we are so close now. Oh. In racing, pretty much always have a spare. So now I have a spare. It was like 200 bucks. I have everything I need for another hub in case I lose a hub or anything. Got a spare nut, cap, everything. Bing, washers, bearings, complete other hub. My other hub only is missing one lug, but I'll get another lug for that. And I'm stoked to just be able to get this thing fixed real quick. We got about a 12-hour drive home, so still got some time left on the road. Sweet. All right, Clean up my shit, and we can get back on the road. Well, that is a wrap. We are back on the road. I got my spare hub, got everything fixed back up. We're in Oklahoma City, so we got like 12 hours to go. And so far it's been an uneventful trip, so that made it, you know, kind of eventful. All right, as always, thanks for watching. I'm out. Don't forget to go like and subscribe. We are almost at 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for following along. Up next is Eldora on Monday in the 410 non-wing sprint car bashing the fence down. I'll have some time to edit that one. We will be at the PRI show this week, Thursday through the weekend. I'll be at Tim Engler's booth, hanging out with Tim, talking to everybody. We have the EA Stealth with the MF1 down there, so come check it out.